Okay, in this video we will talk about pointers. Pointers means uh, holding the address of another variable, another function, array, string, another object. Okay, so there are variable pointers, there are pointer to arrays, there are arrays pointers, there are strings pointers, there are array pointers to strings, there are function pointers, pointers to functions. So pointer is a big concept in C. So we start with defining a variable pointer. Integer, we write star and a. This will create a pointer. Okay, a pointer means this variable will hold the address of some other variable. Okay, some other variable means integer b. This is another variable, and if I print this, cout new line, address of a is equal to and a. Okay, cout value at value of a is equal to pointer a, and if I write address of b is equal to and b, and if I write cout value of b is equal to d. Now I compile it. Okay, so you see address of a is this is the address. Value of a is some garbage value, and address of b is this address 0x, okay, hexadecimal, and value of b is some garbage value. Now we set the values. Okay, we set the value of b is equal to 10. Okay, and I write cout new line value of b is equal to b. Okay, and I compile it. Value of b is now 10. Okay, now what is the use of a? A will hold the address of b, some integer variable. This is integer pointer. Okay, so what is the name of the variable? B. It will hold the address. Address means and operator. Address is and operator, and value is pointer. So I write a will hold address of b. Now a is a person, and it holds the address of some b person. Now the value means there is, maybe he will go to that address, that will be the value. Go to that address, and maybe some market. Okay, and he will purchase something. Okay, but the address holds, on that address there is a value, there is some location, there is some shop, some house. Okay, there is some place. Okay, now the place is b, and the place is 10 at the address of b. Okay, and a holds the address of b. Now this shop, this house address, this shop address is address of b, and the shop is 10. Okay, shop is 10. Now if I want to see the address of value address of A, it will contain the cout, okay, it will contain the same address of B is equal to address of A is equal to A, okay, and if I write cout value of A is equal to, I will write value of A is pointer A, because this is the name of the variable. If I write B is equal to 10 and I write cout B, it will print the value of B, okay. Then to print the value of A, I will write pointer A, okay. Now pointer A means pointer A, value at A is address of B, okay. Now let's see, I compile it. Okay, if you see this, B has address 0x22FEA0, okay, and A holds the address 0x22FEAB8, okay. So this A holds the address of B. Now value at A is 10, okay. So because A holds the address of B, it will print the value at that address, that is 10. So now value at the address is 10, okay. What is the value of A? Value of A is address of B. This is the value of A, and value at that address is 10. This is the value, that is the address of B, and this is the value at the address, okay. I hope you understand that A holds the value of B. Now if I print another integer C, okay, and now C is equal to 100, okay, and I put the address of C in A, and I cout the value of A, address of value of A is equal to A, and value at the address is equal to pointer A. Now it will print 100 because it holds the address of C. Okay, now compile it. Now if you see, this is, it holds the value at the address is 100. And value of A is address of C. This is address of C. FEA4. This is address of C. And value at that address is 100. Okay. So this is simple pointers. Okay. Now we will see how we can use different kind of pointers. Okay. For example, we have integer pointer we have seen. What is float pointer? What is character pointer? What is void pointer? What is pointer to object, some object, right?